Poonam from Sumitra Woodcraft and my colleague Pawan. He is also from Sumitra Woodcraft. We are together.
Because our director.
Yes. Because we live in Delhi, although we go to India Wood also Bangalore from the very beginning when it started. But yes, because we are in this business, so we come almost every show. With Woodtech, it is almost 23 years now, I believe. More than 20 years. Long association with Gopiji. So I have nothing to say about that because you can understand it's 20 years is a long time. 2 decades. Yes. Actually, everything from Woodtech has boosted our business. I would say the other way. And Woodtech is basically, in my opinion, I would say that Woodtech is a one-stop shop for everything. See, it is not only the machines that you buy, it is also the upgradation from time to time, which has been brought in by Mr. Gopi. And other than that, he is not just selling the machines, he is also selling the ideas that when is the time to bring up the next machine or the next new technology.
न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी कब लेकर आना है, क्या इंडस्ट्री की रिक्वायरमेंट है, उस रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से वुडटेक ने हमेशा एक कदम आगे किया है.
So he is a one-stop shop. In short and in brief, I would say that. Yes, X factor is that now we are not business associates. We are friends. More than business, we do friendship with Gopiji. So I put this point on the top of everything.
एक्चुअली
Right.
मैं एक चीज बताऊं, जब लोग हमारी फैक्ट्री में आते हैं तो लोग बोलते हैं ये सुमित्रा वुडक्राफ्ट की फैक्ट्री नहीं है, वुडटेक का शोरूम है. मतलब so many machines we have वुडटेक.
I just yesterday I saw that he has started an initiative, Gopi has, about Ramu sir. So I was so pleased to see that, and in overall I would say all the best to his initiative, and it is basically a tribute to Ramu sir, and I think we should be a part of it. We'll definitely contribute towards his whatever he is thinking about to take it from here to where. So that is the all thing I would like to say, and all the best to the whole Woodtech team and Gopi.
मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि हमारी जो रिलेशनशिप है बड़ी ट्रस्टवर्दी और रिलायबल है वुडटेक के साथ. कभी हमने ऐसा फील नहीं करा कि वुडटेक और सुमित्रा वुडक्राफ्ट एक दूसरे से अलग है.
Thumbs up for Woodtech. Thumbs up.